Hello guys, welcome to a new video for me. Today we are going to a drive with the Evo. We're gonna make some picnic and we're gonna drive through some mountains. I'm gonna try to film some POV footage and of course some outside shots. I sadly still didn't bought the cameras that I wanted because they are just so expensive and the upgrades I did were already very expensive, so I had to choose what I want to get and I decided to get upgrades instead of the cameras, so that has to wait a little bit still, but I still hope you're going to enjoy this video guys and have fun. We are on the bottom of the mountain. I didn't film the downhill because downhill is usually pretty boring, but look at the scenery here guys, like that's so fucking cool, like beautiful. First time this season that I drive through here with the Evo, but I love this place guys, like it's so nice. guys, this road here is like, I would say, a real durability test for the car and for the suspension, because like the road is so bumpy, and like the speeds you are allowed to drive here are pretty high for the corners. So I'm pretty stoked to see how the car performs. Guys, here is where the, I would say, night Touge starts. Some pretty damn good corners, and they're driving besides each other. Fuck it. Tires that are sticky, like you already can hear the stones that they are chipping off. As always, guys, I don't drive over the speed limit, so we take it easy. We just drive fast in the corners where I can drive the actual speed limit. So it's fun for me and to watch for you guys. Here you can drive like initially in the sumps, as you can see there. Only the real one knows why you drive inside there. For the suspension, as you can see, like we drove it with, I would say, 78, 75. It took it amazing, like the suspension is really good, like have a fast bike behind us, but I just don't want to speed, guys, so he overpasses me or he has to wait. Like, he has two options. Crazy dude, holy shit. But I say we're gonna catch him up with the speed limit on the corners. You will see, guys. Like, I think so. Maybe he's a good driver, so I don't know. Wow, how he goes in the corner, guys. Did you saw that? Holy shit. This guy has some balls. I'm not gonna go into first gear now. That guy's crazy with the bike. But I'm not trying to race him or anything, so So guys, we arrived on top of the mountain. We went to like a little parking lot. We are doing some picnic right now, and then we are continuing the drive. But most of that is going to be downhill, so I might not gonna film that. So we're also eating some fruit salad, guys, with some apples, banana, kiwi and peaches. And she's eating a croissant kinda. It's pretty good, and a nice chill place here to eat stuff like that. I sadly forgot to film an outro, guys, but if you watched until here, thank you so much for the support. Make sure to subscribe, like and comment the video, and see you guys in the next one.